If you are looking to start a side hustle, selling stickers can be a good idea because nowadays you can even leverage the AI to start this business. You don't need any skill or previous experience to start this business. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. Now, a lot of you may be thinking this market is oversaturated. All you need to do is you have to come up with something that has a unique selling point. For example, there are a lot of stickers selling on Etsy already. And if you start selling something which has already thousands of reviews, no one is going to buy from you because you as a new seller don't have any reviews on your products yet. So you can get the idea what is selling best on Etsy, but you have to come up with your own design. First you get a design idea and then you create your own image using AI. After that, you upload your image on any third-party printing service to sell it online. So starting from our very first point, which is to create a design. And all of these designs which you can see, I have created using AI. And I am also going to mention the link in description for these images if you want to check them out. First go to ChatGPT and sign up using your email address. Now here we will have to get the idea for our prompts, which later on we will use to generate our images. And at this time, I am going to create stickers for parrots, so I will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me with some prompts related to parrots. Now this prompt is looking better because it can be a great one for music lovers. Now when you are going to enter prompts in any AI software, make sure to enter prompts in more detail. In that way, your design will be more creative. So now I will ask ChatGPT to provide me these prompts in more details. Now after you have all the prompts, make sure to select the one which is more niche specific because this will help you to stay your design more unique and it will lead you much more in sales. So this prompt, which is related to music lovers, I think this could be a better fit for my audience. Now at this point, we have the idea of our design. If you have any other idea, you can simply skip this step and straightforward you can go to the Midjourney, which is an AI tool to generate images. Now once you have detailed prompts, you can just copy these and go to Midjourney. Using Midjourney, you simply have to provide the prompts and it will create images in few seconds. Now once you go to Midjourney, click on join the beta. And after that, it will redirect you to the Discord server. Now if you have already Discord, you can sign in using your email address. And if you don't have one, you can enter your name to sign up. Discord is a free chat server which is mostly used to build communities. Now after you have signed up for Discord, you can simply download it or you can browse it on your laptop or PC. Now once you are on Midjourney Discord, simply go to newbies section and then enter /. Now here, select the top option to enter the prompts and create your own design. Now you can simply copy and paste your prompt here, which you have created using ChatGPT, and then enter. After that, wait for a few seconds to generate images. So these are all the results which Midjourney has provided. Now you can also get more results for this prompt using this section. And doing this couple of times will provide you more options to choose the design. Now starting from left, we have the image number 1, then we have the image number 2, and then we have the image number 3, and at last on the bottom, we have the image number 4. So if you want to save an image, you can simply use this upscale button. Now, if you want to get more results of any image, you can also use this below variant section. In this way, Midjourney will provide you 4 more results of this specific image. Now, as I like this image, now I will simply upscale to save it. After that, click on the image and then click on the browser. And then right click. After that, save the image where you can easily find out. So in this way, you can create as many images as much you like. And you can also create different images of same prompts in multiple times as well. You can use different options to scale your image much further, but make sure your image quality is not compromised. So this is the just one prompt which I have used to create my design. In this way, I am also going to use 2 other prompts to create my design. So this is the second prompt image, which I think is looking better. Now I will simply download it. So in this way, I have created images for all of my 3 prompts. Now before moving further, I want to mention the best creative company for your products, which is Viral Ecom Ads. If you are in e-commerce, dropshipping, or print on demand space, you can use these guys' websites to create video ads and image ads of your products, which will help you to generate more sales of your products through TikTok, Facebook, and other social media apps. Now, I have been working with these guys from past couple of years, and they have different options which you can use to create best ads of your products. You can see different Facebook ad examples which they have already created for different brands, and these kind of video ads can help you to get more engagement and better conversion rate. As you look into TikTok, these kind of videos are going viral nowadays. You can simply order your ad and they will be able to deliver your order within 24 to 48 hours. And if you are not happy with the results, you can even request the revision, which is of course free. I am going to mention the link and discount code in description. Make sure to check them out. Now, once you have created all of your design, the next step is to check the copyright. So this is the point where you can implement different methods, but I am using Google to check my copyright designs. Simply go to Google and then click this icon right here. From here, you can upload the image and it will show you if there is any image matching to your design. And 95% chances are there should not be any images similar to your design. But still, we can use this reverse method to locate any similarity. Now you can see we don't have any image matching to our own design. You can also click on image source to find something similar. And you can also see Google is unable to find any similar designs. Now to list our sticker on platforms like Printful or Gelato, we have to remove the background of our design. And for this you can use Photoshop, which is easier to use, but I am going to use Photopea and I will show you how to do that. Just open the Photopea and then here select the image you want to remove the background. After that, right click and then duplicate layer. When the layer is duplicated, you can simply hide the background from here and then select the top layer. After that, simply go here to select the image and now you can click on select subject. So it will take few seconds to process and then at the end go here and click on this icon. So you can see we have our white area removed from the image. After that, go to the file section on left side and then export your image as PNG. Now you can simply save it from here. So this is how our image is looking right now and all the white area around the image is removed. Now we are removing this white area around our image so that we can upload our design on printing company mockup. And after that, you can upload your image on any printing company you want to use. For example, Printful, Printify, Society6 or Redbubble. All of these companies have already designed mockups which you can use, or you can simply create your own mockup and you can upload on these websites. You can even upload the image which you have got from Midjourney as well. Now there are a lot of mockups available on Etsy, and if you want to use them, you can get them directly from Etsy, and there are plenty of shops which are using same mockups for all of their designs. But at this time, I am going to use Canva to create my own mockup for my design, and I will show you how to do that. Now Canva is a free tool and it has a lot of mockups which you can use related to your design. Simply go to canva.com and then go into create design section. In this section, click on import and then here import your sticker image which you have created from Midjourney. Now after your image is uploaded, simply click on edit photo, and after that on the left side you can see we have the remove background section. Click here and then use it in a new design. Now after some time you can see we have the transparent image with the white background layer. Now here you can also increase the background space as well. On the left side we have the image resize option, and from here you can choose the right size which you want to use. And for me, I think this size is the best. So now I will simply choose this size to remove the background. Now once it is done, you can simply go on top left side to change the color of your background. You can also use the background section on left side to change the mockup. And from here, you can choose any background you want to, or you can even use the keywords to match something similar to your design. Now as I want a background of nature, I can simply search here, and then these are the backgrounds which I can use as a mockup. So these are all the designs which I have created with custom mockups. After that, you can list those stickers on Etsy, Society6 or Redbubble. And you can use any printing company like Printful or Printify. Now at this point, once you have created stickers, you can also sell those stickers using Shopify as well. So here is the one of the example of Shopify sticker store. And you can see all of these stickers are created using just basic tools. Go to shopify.com and sign up for free trial. If you are not aware how to create your own Shopify store, I have already made a video. Make sure to check the link in description and it will help you to create your own custom Shopify store. After you have built your own Shopify store, simply go to Printful and then choose the stickers from the product catalog. Now I can choose this one as it has a lot of more good reviews and it is going to cost only $2.20. Now after selecting the sticker, go to create product template and choose the size which you want to use. You can also choose all the sizes and Printful will do the rest while printing. Now after doing that, you can simply upload your sticker here which you have created without background. Now after some time, when your upload is complete, you can now click on apply. And you can also even use this same image for other products like t-shirts, mugs or any product which you would like to sell. After it is uploaded, you can now simply click on save to template. And now from here, click on add to store and then proceed to mockups. Now in this option, you can also choose mockups. So from here, you can also use already available mockups or you can upload your own mockups in Shopify dashboard. Now after selecting the suitable mockup, you can adjust the profit margins. So make sure your profit are above 40% because in this way, you will be able to generate some profit after spending money on ads. And at the end, make sure to check your title and description. Now you can select the collection to publish to your store. So in this way, after your store design is complete, you can now market your store to generate sales. There are two ways of marketing. The one is organic marketing and other is paid marketing. For organic marketing, you can use TikTok, Instagram and other social media apps. And for paid marketing, you can use Google ads or Facebook ads or TikTok ads. But as I mentioned earlier, if you are creating best videos of your product, you will be able to make plenty of sales through organic marketing on TikTok. Because paid marketing is becoming expensive day by day. And if you want to rely on paid marketing, you can use Google or TikTok ads, which are mostly reliable nowadays. Make sure to also work on your website SEO, which is also a free way to drive traffic to your website. Or even you can write blogs on third-party websites like Medium, because these kind of website has higher domain authority. And any website who has higher domain authority, if your website has a backlink directly coming from those websites, that will rank your website higher in search engines. So that's all for today. If you want to get my free Shopify ebook to start your e-commerce business, you can check the link in description. If you have any questions, make sure to mention them in comment section. Please like the video and subscribe the channel, and I will be back with more useful content.